Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So in this video I would like to explain about the requirement to do the insulation test to ensure the insulator property meets the standard. So basically we are going to do the dielectric strength test, which is hypot test. So there are several steps we must comply. So first is we need to identify a correct apparatus for the hypot test. As we can see in this table, shows that what the apparatus that we need to do the hypot test. So the next step is we need to assemble AC generation and measurement system. So first thing is we need to construct the circuit between FC to the transformer tap point. Next, we need to assemble the basic components with the connection from the transformer to the capacitor for the measurement. So we use a connecting rod to connect the transformer to the capacitor, and at the top of the capacitor we have a connecting cup that will connect the end of the connecting rod, and below the connecting cup we have a electrode that we use together with grounding switch, and it also to reduce the corona discharge on the high voltage part of the different configuration. So next, below the electrode we have the capacitor, which is the measuring capacitor, and the capacitor of the measurement also known as a voltage divider, which consists of two capacitor, which is the high voltage capacitor, which is the rated value is 100 picofarad, and it will can sustain from 0 until 100 kilovolt. And then the low voltage capacitor, which is the rated value is 2 microfarad, and it will can sustain from 0 to 7 RMS. So to connect the capacitor, first we need to put the ground switch before we connect the end of the capacitor to the floor pedestal, and from the floor pedestal we can connect to the secondary part, which is the low voltage capacitor. And then we must connect the measuring capacitor to the secondary part by using a coaxial cable. So fix the coaxial cable and tag all the grounding termination point by considering braided copper cable to the floor pedestal and chassis of secondary part for AC, BNC to banana adapter for secondary for AC, and grounding switch. So and then at the end of the secondary part, it consists of two termination of female banana connector. So we will use a banana adapter to connect the secondary part to the FC kit and the picoscope. So make sure we connect the banana connector correctly, where the grounding must connect to the left or right part of the secondary capacitor. So after that we use coaxial cable to connect the secondary part to the FC kit and the picoscope. So that's all. Thank you.